Hello students, today we'll be studying how to convert degree Celsius to Kelvin and also conversion of Kelvin to degree Celsius. For this we have a formula in which K represents the Kelvin is equals to 273 plus degree Celsius. So this formula you have to remember and use while doing the conversions. Now let's take one example of conversion of this Kelvin and degree centigrade. So we have an example over here. We'll take this example of conversion of 278 Kelvin to degree Celsius. So by using this formula we will be just writing down in the place of K Kelvin, that is 278 equals to 273 plus degree Celsius. Now on rearranging, it will be 278 minus 273 is equals to degree Celsius. Now the temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Now we will try to convert 110 degrees Celsius to Kelvin temperature. Now again using the above formula we can write down K is equals to 273 plus value in degree Celsius. Over here I would just want to tell you the degree Celsius and degree centigrade, they are the same. It is just Celsius is the new name for degree centigrade. Now coming to the question back, we'll write K equals to 273 plus the value given in degree Celsius, that is 110. K is equals to 383 Kelvin. Okay. Now the temperature in Kelvin is 383 Kelvin. By using this formula you can simply calculate the value in degree Celsius and temperature value in Kelvin. For the conversion of Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to Celsius, we have another way. You just have to remember this. Just keep in mind that for conversion of Kelvin to Celsius, you just have to subtract 273 from the Kelvin, and for conversion of Celsius to Kelvin you just have to add 273 to the Celsius temperature. Now let's just do with this some examples. We have first question, that is conversion of 300 Kelvin to degree Celsius. Now for conversion of Kelvin to Celsius 300 Kelvin, we will see that we have to subtract 273. We will move with the help of the arrow indicated above. Now we will just subtract 273 so as to get our value in degree Celsius. So it would be, on subtracting these two, it would give 27 degree Celsius as the answer. Now we have the next question of conversion. What you have to do, you have to convert 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Now again just look above, from Celsius to Kelvin, if you have to do this Celsius to Kelvin, you just have to add 273 to it. So now we'll be adding 25 plus 273, that would give the value in Kelvin, that is 298 Kelvin as our answer. We just have to remember this way, right? Next, at the last, the question is, you have to convert the temperature in Celsius, that is 373 degrees Celsius, to Kelvin. Now again, from Celsius to Kelvin, we'll just move with the lower arrow and we are going to add 273 to it. Yes, adding 273, 373 plus 273, and we are going to get 646 Kelvin as our answer.